हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले थोड़े से स्क्रीनशॉट्स है रिजल्ट्स के आपके सामने शेयर करने वाली हूँ। ये दोनों जो रिजल्ट्स हैं एकेडमिक के भी हैं, जनरल ट्रेनिंग के भी हैं। दोनों के रिजल्ट रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड हैं एंड दोनों के टारगेट्स जो है विद इन 1 मंथ एंड इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट कंप्लीट हुआ है। And today's video is about 14 September IELTS exam prediction. If you are also looking for your IELTS exam or if you have booked your IELTS exam, then this is a must-watch video. As you know, on 14th September, both academic as well as general training IELTS exam are going to be conducted. So, the overall level, starting with the overall level as per the prediction is going to be little bit moderate. I cannot say it will be easy or it will be very, very difficult. It will be little bit moderate. But you have to practice more than 100% to secure your position to score your desired band. So first of all, let's break this prediction into all the different 4 modules. Starting with the listening module. In listening module, listening is first of all same for both academic as well as for general training students. So listening module will be also moderate. It will not be easy. It will be moderate. So in listening section 1, you will come across 1 to 10 sentence completion types of questions. But must read the instructions before you start writing your answers. As in these days, the trend is going on that you may get 2-word and or a number type sentence completions in listening section 1 as compared to previous exam where students only get 1 word and or a number. So completing 2 words and or a number can be a little bit tricky or moderate, you can say. So listen to the audio very, very carefully. Read the instructions very, very carefully before you start to attempt your listening paper. Moving on to listening section 2. So in listening section 2, short multiple choice questions plus some matching the information types of questions are very, very important. But you should also practice map as well. It is also very important. Moving on to the most difficult part of IELTS listening, that is listening section 3, where most of the students have problems. So if you are also having problem, you can join the course. So in listening section 3, you may come across 5 long multiple choice of questions plus some matching the information types of questions, and these will be little bit fast and these will be little bit difficult as the options and the questions are little bit longer. So must read the questions twice. Don't try to check your answers for listening section 2. Instead, read questions twice for listening section 3 so that you can mark all the keywords and you can focus on the correct answer. Moving on to listening section 4. Listening section 4 is very, very fluent. But the tip here is that there are always some subheadings in between the section 4 from question number 31 to question number 40. Must mark down those headings, subheadings, and in fact must mark down the word before blank and the word after the blank. They will surely help you to get the correct answer. And listening section 4, you may come across 2 or 3 word and or a number sentence completion types of questions. Again, this will be some moderate. It will not be easy. If it says you should write the question answers in 1 word and or a number, these types of questions are easy, but writing down the answers in 2 words and or 3 words plus a number, sometimes students find it tricky. So must practice from the latest book 19, book number 18, book number 17 and book number 15. These books are very, very important, especially book number 16 to book number 19, and 19 book is the recently launched book if you haven't heard about that. So this is all about the listening module. It will be between moderate and difficult, you can say. It will not be easy. So you must practice a lot if you have booked or if you are planning to book your IELTS exam on 14th of September. Moving on to academic reading, next part. So academic reading, some students really find it very, very hard to score the desired band. Even 6 band are difficult for some of students to score that. So listening in reading for academic reading, first of all, it is very, very important to understand the format. In listening section 1, you will come across sentence completion and true, false, not given types of questions. And these are always very, very easy to handle as these are always in order. If you find the first answer, you will automatically find all the answers in sequence and in order. So must focus on the first answer in order to find rest of the answers correctly. So listening section, IELTS reading section 1, try to score 13 on 13 in academic reading section 1, as it will be very easy to handle. Moving on to reading section 2. In reading section 2 for academic, you will come across 3 different types of questions, and these may vary, and these include matching the information, very important. Writer's opinion types of questions, and along with that summary completion questions are also very important. So must practice all these questions as much as you can. Moving on to reading section 3. Again, in reading section 3, you may come across 3 different types of questions, and among those, multiple choice of questions are very important. Process completion or chart completion, table completion, that is sentence completion, blanks, these are also very important. And matching types of questions, may it be matching the list of people, may it be the writer's opinion, may it be matching the information types of questions, these questions are very important. If I summarize for academic reading, must prepare these 5 types of questions. Sentence completion number 1, true false not given number 2, matching the information number 3, writer's opinion number 4, multiple choice questions number 5. These 5 question types are very important if we want to score your desired band. So moving on to general training IELTS reading. General training IELTS reading is very easy. The thing is that the band criteria, the scoring criteria is a little bit different as compared to academic reading. As if you score 30 marks out of 40, only then you will be able to score 6 bands. So you must work hard for general training candidates. And for general training, in section 1, reading section 1 consists of matching the information and true false not given types of questions, and I'll be upcoming with all the different types of questions, where I'll be explaining all different types of questions in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned with me and subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. So in general training reading section 1, you will come across matching the information, true false not given types of questions, and these are very important and very easy as well if you know the exact techniques and exact strategies. And if you are unaware of all the techniques and strategies, must subscribe to this channel, as I keep on uploading different types of videos, especially for general training students. So moving on to general training reading section 2. In reading section 2, you may come across all the 13 sentence completion types of questions. These are very important. If your target score is 5, 4 or even 6 band, sentence completion questions are very important. In 40 questions, you will come across minimum 15 to 16 sentence completion types of questions. So you can definitely make a guess how important these questions are for general training candidates. So must prepare sentence completion very efficiently. Moving on to reading section 3 for general training candidates. In reading section 3, you may come across 3 different types of questions, and among all these 3 types of questions, sentence completions are again very important. You will surely come across 3 to 4 sentence completions in reading section 3 as well. And along with sentence completion, you may come across matching the information, list of headings, multiple choice questions, matching the information. Any 2 out of these 4 types of questions are very important. And if your target score is 7+, you must prepare all these types of questions. But if your target is only 5, you should focus on sentence completion, true false and matching the information. That's it. These all questions are very important. Now let's move on to writing module. For academic writing, comparative graph or trending graph are very important, which include bar graph, chart, bar chart, pie chart, table chart and line graph. All these questions are very important. And if I talk about writing section 2, essay. In writing section 2, you may come across opinion type essay, discussion type essay, advantages, disadvantages, positive or negative development type of essays. These essays are very important. And on my YouTube channel, I have already uploaded 2 to 3 samples of recently IELTS exam essays, and these are very important. If you watch those videos, you will definitely score your desired bands in IELTS writing as well. I have already uploaded various samples on IELTS writing task 2. So moving on to general training writing task 1. In general training writing task 1, you may come across informal letter, semi-formal letter or formal letter. There are only 3 types of questions for general training candidates, and I will be uploading samples on semi-formal letter, formal letter, and informal letter as well. So stay tuned with me on this YouTube channel. Subscribe this channel for the latest updates. Do hit that bell icon and notification icon. So moving on to writing task 2 for general training students. For general training candidates, for writing task 2, opinion type of essay is very important. For training writing task 2, for general training writing task 2, discussion type of essay is important, opinion type of essay is important, positive negative development type of essay are very, these three types of essays are very important. And already I have uploaded various videos on writing task 2 samples and how you can yourself evaluate your writing task 2. Must watch those videos. And in my upcoming videos, I will be also uploading the new version of Makar's IELTS speaking PDF, first version also and final version also. So stay tuned with me on this channel if you want to get the latest PDF link for free. And in this video, if you want any discussion, if you want any guidance regarding your exam or regarding your any module, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number given on the screen. And अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ information मिली हो, कुछ helpful लगा हो, do like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily informative videos on IELTS. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and all the very best for your IELTS preparation.